This flowchart shows the overall process flow of the eco reward system. First, the user logs into the system using their registered account. After logging in, the user can submit eco-friendly activities such as recycling or compost cleanup participation. Once submitted, the activity will be reviewed by the administrator. The admin checks and validates whether the submitted activity is legitimate. If the activity is approved, corresponding reward points are automatically added to the user's account. However, if the activity is rejected, no points will be given. After earning enough points, the user can redeem available rewards and incentives through the reward redemption feature of the system. This process helps make environmental activity monitoring faster, more organized, and more efficient compared to the manual methods. So for the demonstration, I will now present the actual eco-reward system that I developed using Java Swing, MySQL database, JDBC, and Apache NetBeans. So first, we're going to check if our software package is connected to our IDE. So make sure that these two are both connected, so we won't have any issues while running the program. Mhm. Yeah. And our IDE, Apache NetBeans. So, ito ka na ning i-run. So, naka-start na ang ato ang system. Again po taog username. Oh, check na lang taog. Try na lang na to og register. Ano? Ang sina created. So, successful ang register page or registry page. So, aning duha pwede ta mamili. Mamili ta kung unsay atong gibuhat, kung nag-recycle ba ta or clean up. So, atong i-press ang recycle. Kaya, upat. Aron naatay 40 points. Oh, no, 50. Kana, nahuman naman, magbuhat ta og ma-approve to sa admin. Kay 0 points mo man ta, dili pa ta maka-redeem rewards. Anya, lagyan ta sa admin. So, dire, makita na to og unsay gibuhat ni John Cena. So, approve. Approve. Cancel. So, dire nga bar, makita na to kung pila ang user ani nga system. Ang admin exception ang exemption ng admin. Kay admin man na. So, atong i-login balik to John Cena. Kung nadugangan ba og points, asa pa na. Natay exact 50 points para maka-redeem ta og reward. Once mapindutaan ni, natay access sa free wifi sa campus. Unya, mo na to, okay na to. Unya, atong notifications, diri makita kung unsay reply or message sa admin sa ato. And sa settings, natay options nga change password, report an issue. So, mag-type ta, maakot kaayo ang system nimo. Okay, close. So, ang leaderboards, ang dire makita kung kinsay pinakadako og points. Pinakadako si Lister 31, kinsa kani. So, sa admin, makita na to ug unsa ang issue nga gi-report agency na kana siya nga maot kaayo ang system. Pwede ta mo reply. Smart ka. Pwede. So, kadto nga reply makita to, example atong i-open, makita to sa notifications. Mas maot ka. Mo na reply sa so, muna to ang overview sa atong system nga i-develop. So, muna to, thank you. In conclusion, the EcoReward system successfully provides a digital platform managing environmental activities and reward monitoring. So the system encourages students to participate in eco-friendly activities through a point-based reward system while improving efficiency, organization, and activity monitoring using Java Swing and MySQL database integration. And that's all of it. Thank you for listening, and now we are open for questions or suggestions.